Alright, in Dillards. Okay, so it's gonna be 50% off. Entire stock, 50% off. All sales final, no returns. Are these glass?
That's $60, so it's $30. Yeah.
I mean, it is nice.
It is.
$30 now. Well, how much is a tiny one? It says 2025 though.
Tiny ones are 42, so 21.
21. Okay, I mean, hey, still gotta go give gifts around. Get them in before 2026, guys. Before 2026, come get your 2025 ornament. Almost dropped that. Yeah, I can feel it slipping. These are glass. How much is this Santa? He's glass, right? He feels glass.
He feels glass. Yeah, he is. Oh, no, he's plastic.
It's plastic. He just, I don't know what it is.
20, so he's
20, 10.
Yeah, it's plastic.
You know, these ornaments. It says crepes are not for sale. Oh, right now, these are nice crepes. Oh, look at this.
16. So, down to 8. They are nice.
Some more trees, stockings. Let's find out what else is in here.
This is one to buy the nativity sets.
Oh, the nativity set. Oh my gosh. I don't want to. It's a nice one too. I see they have a not wooden, a red tree. The red tree's here. A tinsel one. Okay, some of these gingerbread houses are 119 and they're 50% off. Looks like a lot of people did buy some of their gingerbread. We've got garland in here. Enter here, lines form for what? Oh, maybe bring back. Wouldn't that bring returns? Bring back. I would have got some of the nice glass ones. Oh wow,
That section's gone.
I think that's it for Christmas. Oh wow, a lot of people did come because I believe Dillard's only does 50% off. Well, these crates say Merry Christmas. How come they're not on sale?
I know, those are such nice crates. And they're thick.
Yeah. Yeah, wooden crate. I guess bedding is on sale. Is that it for Christmas? Oh my gosh.
No, there should be more.
There's no, a lot of ornaments. Oh my gosh, look at that big bird in the back, that big boy. Okay, they're different. You have these pine cones. They're like plastic. More trains.
This is 18, now it's 9.
And it broke. Do you remember?
Okay, these are on sale now. These were full price, so 109. Then half off that. This one's 80. Okay. Yes. And the tree. There's a vintage Santa with the pink hat, though. Oh my gosh, this one's kind of cute. I don't remember this. Do you remember seeing this one? Not me.
This one's hanging on the wall.
Oh, they got rid of the carousel. See, I want to know what people paid for it. All the doggy ornament. Let me go Santa. It's funny. Of course, they have bedding. What else is there? These are kind of nice.
Those are ornaments?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You don't have to take it out. It probably can be over here. Let's see, 170 and half off. Nativity set. Oh, these are kind of nice.
Yeah, it's huge too.
Yeah.
I'll tell
How
you
much were
in just a
those?
second.
You have a wreath one. This is
They were
2025.
75.
75.
Yeah.
So it makes about like 37. Oh, all these like snow globes, are they gone? These are 22. You know all the snowman ones? Yeah, see? We were too late. We come too late. And I don't see like those fancy Santas. They're all glass ornaments.
Yeah,
Let me look up here.
12. There's some you said 6.
These are 30. It's really weird that they clean out really fast in Dillards. I mean, they only do half off. They have like the Barbie house too. You get 2, a Dairy Queen. Okay, that would be really cool if you used to work at a Dairy Queen when you were a teenager. Or if you own a franchise. Little peanut one. That one's still around. This got cleaned out. Oh man, I would have bought some. Let's see, I would have bought one. That's cleaned out. And the nutcrackers, you know those fancy nutcrackers? Oh, this guy's still around though.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, that one is pretty. Let me walk around. Let me go back over here real quick. Oh, these are going to be more ornaments though. Oh yeah, all those Santas are gone. What is this one? Glory to the Newborn King. So some Jim. Those are the only ones by like Jim Shore. There's one Mickey. Oh wow. Food. I mean, they even took down all their trees. Look at these large ones. Looks like a ball pit. A little bit of kitchen decor, not as much. Wow, you know what? I'm gonna have to check next year for Christmas.
Jim Shore, I think
Yeah, I
you'll find
saw
these
them,
in the
yeah.
hundreds next year.
All the Grinch stuff is gone. There's some more over here, like way in the back. Okay, I found the Santa Claus. They're here.
Oh, all the Santas.
Yeah. They moved them over here in the corner. Wish they had like, some of these were like 75 to 80.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe ones were like 100. It's a gingerbread one. Oh, there's a like cowboy one. That one's really cute.
There's a Mrs. Claus.
Oh, see, I wish they'd tell you the price.
They do.
I don't think they
This
do.
one's 140.
140.
So this is 70.
70.
And then this one here.
How much is this cowboy one? Like the Western.
Let's see. This one is 94.
Okay. Then we got this one holding the gingerbread. Oh.
They're so weird prices because this one's about the same size as this one, but this one's 110. So half off.
I don't know. Maybe that's 110. I don't know. That's weird. The carousel in the back. I don't know how much that is. I don't see any more kitchen. I'm trying to look around for like kitchen stuff. Like if, yeah, I know. There's no sale though. Where? Oh, over there. All the these are all ornaments. They should just be giving this away for free now. We could wish.
Look at the outfit on this one.
Well, that's kind of cool.
It's pretty neat. Almost $120
Oh.
for an ornament. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, and you get a fancy box too. Look at this blue one. And they have one. They're making a snow angel. I haven't seen this one. Let's see, made in Poland. This one, look at that. That's kind of cool. These are like 120. They have a Santa Claus one too, right here. Looks like a nutcracker in there. And oh, you know what? I was looking
there's
for
your
like
snow
those
globes.
snow ones. Yeah.
That's what
So
all
those
these
are gone.
Yeah. So that's a snow globe.
Oh man, everyone took this. Oh, the beer one's still here.
That could be up year round.
The candle one,
There's the owl.
cross one, the rose one that kind of reminds you of Belle. Let me show you. I saw it over here somewhere. They're like, how much are they now? They're like 50. Oh yeah, the nativities are in here.
Let's see how much this is.
You know, but I am amazed how quickly Dillard's cleaned up after Christmas. I would think they would hang it around for, you know, hang it around till like New Year's. You know what I mean? No, they just want to clear the area. That's just crazy. Like, let's box everything up. Maybe they'll bring out some new glassware, but I don't think so. Alright, you guys. Well, I just wanted to browse through here. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'm going to show you. Look at this boot with the spur. It's like in the wedding department. Oh, would you? Looks like an ice bucket, you guys. Am I just not that fancy? I don't know. What is it? Just decor? Yeah, I think it's a boot ice bucket, right?
Yeah.
How much is that? Can we flip it over? I want to see how much that is. That's, I know. 315 for an ice
That's more
bucket.
expensive than boots.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for kind of like this quick browse through in Dillard's. A mud pie. Oh, I like the handle. These are kind of cool. Even a butter dish. Butter dome.
That's gonna be very boring upstairs for a while.
That's more mud pie.
Won't be Christmas all year round.